read Addie's book?
Look.
Who's that?
Monkey. What's the monkey doing?
Tell Uncle Wiggit what the monkey's doing. What's he doing?
Is it bath time? Bath time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Addie keeps dropping his rattle. 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 What does the rattle do?
Bite?
Atticus, you gotta hold on to the rattle.
Another one. Another one. What is it? Monkey. Monkey, yeah. Shall we wait till we finish what's in our mouth first?
What's the monkey doing? Is he washing? Is there any bubbles behind the monkey?
Hey, Jilly. Can you do the Birdman? Well done. Hi. Can you say hi to the camera?
Can you do Jump Jump Star for Uncle Willet?
Jump, jump, star.
Jump Star.
Jump, jump, star.
Slide.
How are we doing, Addie?
That's a bit sharp, Addie. How about your book, please? Can you shake it up high? Shake it high.
Shake it low.
Shake it low. Shake it down.
Hey.
Shake it off.
Hi, how are you?
Oops.
Oops.
Hi,
Oh
Carol.
dear. Oh dear.
There's Mommy.
Hello.
Oh, we're gonna get the rattle. Jilly.
You get it, Jilly? Be careful of your
Watch your
head.
head. Come all the way out before you raise your head, baby. I'm stuck. Are you stuck? Help. Help. Okay. Dada help.
Oh, there you go. Just made it. Just made it. Yeah.
Thank you
Yay!
for helping Atticus.
Thanks, Uncle Wiggit.
Thank you for taking Atticus' rattle out from under the table.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
You give it to Dada so Dada can wipe it clean.
Thank you.
Yay. Oh, okay. Addie, can you go to your mama so she can get Jilly's milk? Oh.
Jilly, want another bite? Jilly?
No.
Did he do the Birdman for you? No. No
A
Birdman.
little bit with the arms,
Jilly?
but no legs.
Open.
Alright, we gotta take that away from him.
Open.
Oh.
Jilly, open.